Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes portable devices not showing in Device Manager windows. Right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Select computer name, click Action, add legacy hardware. Click Next, check install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Select portable devices, click Next. Select MTB USB device, click Next. Right-click MTP USB device, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.